The new Ford Ranger is now available as a custom truck when equipped with the SCA Performance Black Widow package. With these options and accessories, there's almost no trail your truck can't handle. Have your new Ford Ranger customized by SCA Performance with a 5-inch suspension lift kit, 33-inch all-terrain tires, 18-inch black off-road wheels, a high-clearance front bumper, and custom accents with Black Widow logos both inside and outside the truck. Black cab-length side steps help you lift yourself inside the new Ford Ranger Black Widow. Looking to further customize the interior of your Ford Ranger? Let us know what you'd like your Black Widow to look like, and we'll equip your Ford Ranger with the corresponding Black Widow options. SCA Performance also helps you fly under the radar with tinted front windows to match the rear privacy tint to help shield your cockpit from heat and harmful UV rays. Don't worry about anything happening to your accessories from SCA Performance with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty protecting your truck. Kendall delivers to your home when you use our online car shopping and home delivery for free, up to 100 miles. Simply buy online and we'll drop off your new car, truck, or SUV right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our beautiful Ford dealership and find your next Ford Ranger Black Widow today in Meridian, off I-84 and the Meridian Road exit. Kendall, let's start something great.